To write ratios as a fraction, we first determine the two quantities being compared. Second, the first quantity is the numerator and the second quantity is the denominator. Finally, we simplify. Do not write answers as decimals or mixed numbers. We want to simplify and write as a reduced fraction or a whole number depending on the situation. Up first, we have $12 to $15. We can write that as 12 to 15 or 12/15 as a fraction. And now we want to simplify this or reduce the fraction. 3 will divide evenly into 12 and 15. So let's do that. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And 15 divided by 3 is 5. So our simplified fraction is 4/5. In part B, we have 10 minutes to 2 minutes. We can write that as 10 to 2, or 10 halves. And then this will reduce. 10 divided by 2 is simply 5. In part C, we have 2 and 5/10, 2, 1 and 25 hundredths. This we can simplify using division. Remember, the divisor must be a whole number. So 1 and 25 hundredths will move that decimal 2 times to the right, making it 125. And if we move that decimal to the right 2 times, we need to also move the decimal in the dividend 2 times to the right. So that will give us 250 for the dividend. And now 125 divides into 250 2 times. Multiply and we get 250. Subtract, we get a 0 remainder. So this reduces to 2. And in our last example, we have mixed numbers. We have 2 and 2/3, 2, 1, and 13/15. Let's start by rewriting these mixed numbers as improper fractions. The first one, this numerator, 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8, and we keep the same denominator. And then the denominator, this mixed number, will convert it to an improper fraction as well. 1 times 15 is 15, plus 13 is 28. And we keep the same denominator. Now we have fraction divided by fraction. Remember, the shortcut to simplify that is we keep the first the same, we change division to multiplication, and we flip the second fraction. Now we have a multiplication problem. And when multiplying fractions, we can reduce before we multiply. 3 and 15 have a common factor of 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 8 and 28 have a common factor of 4. So let's simplify that. 8 divided by 4 is 2. And 28 divided by 4 is 7. Now we can multiply. 2 times 5 is 10. And 1 times 7 is 7. So our simplified fraction, 10/7.